Can regards, dear tutor, my name is Luz Estela Betancourt Duarte. I contribution to the presentation. General condition of the leasing. Technology is no longer a luxury of privilege around the world. It was become a fundamental element in the personal and business share. Issues are active and globalized world. Companies might be fast and efficient with all their resources. Technology has arrived to solve problems and eliminate barriers for organization that innovate systems that are adapted to the needs of each one. What was to take weeks and even months, today it is possible to finish in the 5 minutes and without much effort to complication.